Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I just wanted to say Happy New Year to all my viewers and subscribers. It's 2024, it's New Year, new bag, and new apparel. So anyway, I got all of these items right here from Jacquemus. I guess you guys are all familiar with the brand Jacquemus, and these are still some of the items that I have gotten last Christmas. I didn't even get a chance to open them. That's because I have been busy traveling here and there, visiting family. So anyway, let me start with this box right here. So it actually came in with this box. So this is their packaging if you order them online. All right. So this is the Jacquemus holiday packaging. It is absolutely gorgeous. The ribbon, the box are amazingly beautiful, guys. So okay, so let me just take this one out. And it also came in with the shopping bag as well. And as well as some of, let me see. I think these are just some documentation. Yeah. Right here. Merci. Anyway, let me show you the packaging first. Wow. The packaging is absolutely amazing. I was totally surprised of how gorgeous it is. It was very yeah, this one is actually very well crafted, guys. I think this one is made up of like some sort of like a velvet material, and the Jacquemus logo right here. Oh my gosh, it is beautiful. It came in with a ribbon as well that has a Jacquemus. Wow. You know, I love beautiful packaging, guys. And I'm not sure if Jacquemus has been doing the holiday packaging every year. I'm not 100% sure, but I'm pretty sure this year, this is their holiday packaging. Absolutely gorgeous. So anyway, let me show you this first item. I don't even know what's inside anymore because I have purchased quite a bit. So yeah, if you are interested in getting anything from Jacquemus, I believe they have a lot of stuff on sale, the year-end sale. And yeah, the shipping is really fast. It's lightning fast, guys. Very, very, it just, I think I ordered several, and then in a couple of days I already got it. Like, wow. And it was actually shipped from France though. So anyway, let me show you the first. Oh my gosh. Let me show you the first item. Okay, so this is the interior of the entire box. Oh my goodness, it's amazing. So let me show you the first item. All right, so this is their packaging. This is their dust bag right here. Jacquemus, and let me show you. All right, wow. So okay, so this is the Lupichu, I believe, and it's in light brown. Wow, man. This one is actually you could actually hang this one right on. It's more likely they call it a neck pouch. So you could just put it on your neck, or you could just use it. I'm not 100% sure if you could use it as a crossbody though, but I think this one, it is called a neck pouch, a lupichu. And the color is absolutely amazing. Wow. The contrasting stitching, that what makes this, makes me want to buy it just because of that though. I already have like a couple of these, and I use it to just, I just felt like putting all my coins in here or cards, like just like that. This one is actually perfect. Wow. And then let's take a look at inside the zipper right here. So this is how it looks inside. So it is lined with leather as well right here. And then it says right here, this one is made in Spain. Beautiful. I totally love the color combination between the stitching and the smooth leather to it. And then this one, actually, the logo right here, Jacquemus, it's made up of this like muted color silver hardware. And then the pull tab on this side is made up of leather as well. Smooth leather though. I just find it so cute. Okay, so this is the first item. Okay, next is, it came in with a dust bag as well. All right. It is, wow. It's one of their t-shirts though. I'm not sure about this, but when I saw the detail that this one is actually made up of, this one is embroidered, and I decided to try on their ready-to-wear collection for Jacquemus. It is cute. And this one is the Lou shirt broad. It's in color brown. It's a size medium right here. I'm not really sure about the sizing yet, so I don't know. I just thought, when I saw it on the website, they have the model right there, and they're so petite. I really think that I would probably gonna size up a little bit. So most of the time I would wear small or extra small, but apparently this one is made up of cotton, I believe. Yeah, this one is 100% organic cotton, so this will shrink. So I decided to get the size medium, and besides, I'm not sure with their return policy. I'm not really 100% sure of that, because it would still be in France, and then if I would have to return it or exchange it, might be a little bit like, it's gonna cost a lot of delay, or I just didn't really want to have to do return or exchanges anymore, so I just didn't want to go to that route. So that's why I got the size medium. And I think, yeah, the spandex, it's 100% cotton, so I'm not expecting for some spandex at all. But the material seems to be really, really soft. Really soft. Very nice. I love the color, and this one is actually my favorite. The logo right here it's actually embroidered. It's so cute. Yeah, it is. It is embroidered. So anyway, so this is the second item. The third item would be right here. All right. With the dust bag, and wow. I've been eyeing this for quite a while, and I wasn't really 100% sure if I wanted to try this with my wardrobe. Let me show you. Wow. So I've been eyeing this on the website. I'm not really sure if I wanted to, well, add this on my little envelope wallet collection. And I think this one is so cute. I really do. And this is what's being called. It's actually Lupot Azur. Lupot Azur. Okay, it's in French, obviously. And it is an envelope wallet where you can actually use it as a crossbody. So pretty much it is really small. It is tiny. I would say you could put maybe you could put cards, definitely. Maybe lipstick, I would say, I would guess, or coins. But wow, it is so cute. With this one actually has the silver hardware. It is muted. And I'm not sure with Jacquemus though. I think the depending on the hardware, I think if the hardware is more likely in a silver color, it is a men's collection. If it is like a gold, if it's a gold color, it would be like women's. I'm not 100% sure, but when I saw this in the website, I only saw on the men's collection, this one right here. But it is cute. So yeah, this is how it looks inside. All right, so this one is made in Spain. So I will probably gonna do a little bit of review on the Jacquemus, what fits on this little envelope wallet. Really nice. Wow. Next we have right here. I'm excited for next year's Jacquemus packaging. So, all right. It is, I wonder what this is. All right. Okay. So, next, oh wow. So, okay. So it is, all right. Oh, it is the long sleeve t-shirt though. I wanted to try this one. Right here. This one is it's a size medium as well. It's in black color. Right here. It's embroidered as well. Now I can't wait to try this one on. All right. Okay, moving on to the next item. Let's see what we have here. Let's try this one over here. All right. So let me show you. I wonder what this is. It's just like, I just placed an order online. I just didn't even know when it gets here. I didn't even know which one is which though. So this is basically more of like a true unboxing. Anyway, all of these has a dust bag, even with the shirt. Oh wow, yes. Oh wow, the denim hat. It is, I love this. Definitely I'm a fan of denim, guys. Okay, so this is the La Casquette Jacquemus, and it's in blue color. Obviously the denim ones. Wow. And then this one is the logo right here on the side, and this is how it looks inside of it. It's beautiful, beautiful color, and it's made in Bulgaria, and it says what it says here, 100% cotton. Wow, very nice. I like that it's so simple, just like that. And the embroidery of the brand, the embroidered Jacquemus. Really cute. Moving on to the next item. We have, I think I have a couple more, but I'm just gonna reveal these two right here. And it is, let me show you. Okay. Trying to figure out what this is. Alright. Trying to figure out. It is. Wow. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. So this is the bow. It is the bow bucket hat right here. It has a bow right here at the back where you could actually adjust. And it's actually, yeah, it's similar to the color. Yeah, it's made up of denim. Both of these are made up of denim. And this one is the baseball cap. And then this one is the bucket hat. Wow. Beautiful. This is not embroidered. This is more of like, yeah, the logo right here. It's right here, Jacquemus with the silver hardware. Right there. You could literally see it. It is so cute. So this is how it looks inside. Lubab Gajo. So if you are interested in getting one of these, so this is the product information. Right there. Very nice. Wow. I love it. This one is really cute. Very nice. These colors are absolutely amazing. Perfect for the spring and summer. It's going to be very soon. Right there. And we have, this is the last box that I have. I think I have a couple more. So maybe I'll just open this one right here. And I'm wondering what this is. And let me show you real quick. And it is, all right. I think this is another wallet. I'm not sure. Okay. So let me show you. Oh, yes. Another envelope wallet. The Lupot Azur. So this is the product code. And wow. I love. Wow, the color is so pretty. With, see that one, the Jacquemus logo is actually, it complements perfectly with the blue color, guys. Right here. And this one is actually made in Spain. The envelope wallet, where you could just put cards in here, or however you wanted. And this is how it looks on the side. Right here. And then this is like more of like where you could put some keys in here. It's like it's a D-ring in it. I don't know if you wanted to hang some charm or whatever. I think this one is actually cute. But as far as the leather, wow, very nice. So these are some of the items that I've purchased before the holiday. I just get a chance to open all of them, and I think they are beautiful. And on top of that, I was totally impressed with this beautiful holiday packaging with this lovely ribbon. Look at the box right here. I mean, my favorite packaging so far ever with any luxury are Dior. They are beautiful. And then I'm surprised that Jacquemus came up with this lovely packaging for 2023 though. But I'm not sure with any purchase that you'll make right now. I don't know if this one are still available. What I did was just place an order, and then they ship it to my address, and that's all I got. So I am totally astonished of how beautiful the packaging is. So anyway, Jacquemus has a year-end sale. They just started. I don't know when they started because I checked the website today. They have the year-end sale, and they have a lot of beautiful items that went on sale. So anyway, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!